HIV. It is from the family of Retroviridase. It is an envelope single-stranded positive polarity RNA, and it utilizes reverse transcription. So, reverse transcription, it utilizes reverse transcriptase to convert its RNA genome to DNA. So, its structure, and next is its structure. Ang importante nga structure niya, it's P24, P7, and P17. So, yung P24 and P7, these are your nucleocapsid. Ang pinaka-importante natin dito is your P24 nga gag niya. Kasi, yung P24, it is the major capsid protein hit mo HIV. And during quality mo antibody, once may ditiya tiya ito yung yayakan na ito niya serological marker hit HIV. So, haton naman, polymerase naman may ditiya tolo. Yung reverse transcriptase, protease, and integrase, again, your reverse transcriptase, it is the enzyme that HIV utilizes to convert its RNA genome into DNA to infect the DNA genome natin, nucleus. So, your protease describes the protein, the genome, and the integrase, it helps integrate the viral DNA into our DNA. So, atong GP120, very familiar kita ini. It is the protein na ginuse ni HIV to attach to CD4. And imo GP120 may ito hiya importante nga region, which is your V3 loop. Ito nga V3 loop, it is the most immunogenic region of GP120, which makes in the development hit vaccine for HIV very hard. And your GP41 naman is utilized for the fusion hit mo HIV to the cell. So, pathogenesis, of course, your HIV infects the CD4 helper T cells, and our main immunologic response is your CD8. Though may nakita immunologic response against HIV na since rapidly dividing HIV once na-infect na kita, this causes na na-overwhelm the cytotoxic T cell to fight against HIV. So, once ma-infect ito ng CD4 T cells, nagkakamay na kitang loss in cell-mediated immunity, which decreases nagiging prone kita mga opportunistic nga mga microorganism. So, another important hit ato HIV are the stages. May nakita din na kanya 5 stages sa HIV. First is your phase 0, which is the infection stage. Sa infection stage, di na-enter na mo virus atong body. So, nga din na masunod ang aton mga mode of transmission aton HIV, which is your unprotected sexual course, vertical transmission from mother to baby, transplantation, organ transplantation, and blood transfusion ngayon through injection and shared needles. In the phase 1 naman, awitan niya natin yung window period. Window period, didi na multiply fast it at or na rapidly na multiply fast it aton HIV virus, pero negative pa init aton antibody tests. Dili pa niya detectable aton window period. Nagiging detectable in HIV during sero conversion. Oops. So, zero conversion, dito na na-produce ang ating body mga antibodies against HIV antigen. And didi detect na natin it antigen. So, nagkakamay na ito naging positive na kita ito it HIV test. And again, may na-develop nga symptoms such as your mild flu-like symptoms, and it lasts for 1 to 2 weeks. For phase 3 naman, this is your latent period. Latent period, So, latent period, asymptomatic pa didihi patient. Pero, as na-continue divide or pag-multiply didihi HIV and nagkakamay ganahin pag gradually decrease or decline ang imo CD4. Latent period nato yung tatawag nga quiet period ni HIV stage. Phase 4 naman, ang early symptomatic, may nakita dida mga symptoms. Pero, ang mga mild symptoms pala ito dida which are your hematologic na symptom and mucocutaneous. For hematologic, nga na nakikita pag-decrease mo CD4 or imo thrombocytopenia, thrombocytopenia patient, anemia, and neutropenia. And phase 5, hindi na nagkakamay dahil mga AIDS-like illnesses. And if nare-remember niyo, may dato question, hino daw ang less than 50, less than 200, that's may AIDS-like na illness. Phase 5 na to. And, ang nato mga AIDS-defining illnesses. At CD4, less than 500, ito nire-remember didi, ato mga AIDS-defining illnesses, these are your disseminated TB, HSV, esophagitis, esophageal candidiasis, and Kaposi sarcoma. Pag mag-less than 200 naman patient, itiya CD4, ang mga nagkakamay din yung cystis pneumonia, which is the most prevalent na AIDS-defining illness. Then, nagkakamay din cerebral toxoplasmosis, meningioencephalitis, coccidioidomycosis, and chronic diarrhea. For CD4 na less than 50, invasive pulmonary disease, histoplasmosis, and CMV retinitis. So, may nakilap with a question dito, hino daw ang mga AIDS-defining illnesses CD50. And gusto dito nga, is blindness, HIV, may daw invasive pulmonary disease, histoplasmosis. Ang correct answer dito is nga tananhera. Kaya CMV retinitis, ito nakaka-cause HIV blindness a patient. So diagnosis, we utilize ELISA for presumptive diagnosis, we start blood for definitive, and the PCR, which is PCR? And most sensitive and specific na pag-diagnose aton HIV. For the treatment, first line natin is non-nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor, at least 1, plus your nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitor na 2. Either ito dida, hisidovodine or tenofovir. For second line naman, we use is ritonavir boosted na protease inhibitor plus NRTI. So, another ritonavir boosted PI, protease inhibitor can be yopinavir or ritonavir plus sidovodine or tenofovir. Yun lang. Sorry. Bangin ako mo finals or something. HIV, ito bagat ancestor kumbaga na pinaka-ancestor niya is si simian immunovirus, which are isolated from immunodeficiency virus, which are isolated from chimpanzees or monkeys. Yan lang.